For nearly 95 years, the Guillow Model Airplane Company has helped make imagination soar. It was all started by Paul K. Guillow in 1926.
He was a naval aviator, and back in 1926 he started making board games of Lucky Lindy. And from there he started to make balsa wood gliders put together with rubber bands, and he started selling them out of the trunk of his car, driving around New England, getting it to places like J.C. Penney and Woolworths and so forth until the business started to grow.
The company has grown to be one of the largest toy airplane manufacturers and, in fact, manufacturing more than 6 million toy aircraft makes it the largest aircraft manufacturer in the world. The company makes the famous rubber band-powered gliders and authentic scale model airplane kits.
Something like a P-51 Mustang they would make. It has a 24-inch wingspan. There's probably a couple hundred parts that go into it, and it might make you busy for about 40 hours or so building it.
The toy airplanes are made from super light balsa wood.
Balsa wood comes out of countries that are located along the equator. The largest producer of balsa wood is Ecuador. It makes very good, nice white wood for our products.
Tom Barker is the current president of Paul K. Guillow, and he's been with the company since he graduated from high school.
I started back in 1975. I was in the drafting program at Wakefield High School. There was an advertisement on the board for Guillow's that wanted to have a draftsman come in and start designing and drawing model airplane kits. I started then, and I never left.
And that's a common story here. Many of the employees have worked at the factory in Wakefield, Massachusetts for decades.
My favorite part of this job is working with the people around us. I have great employees here. We have under 50 employees. They've been here for a long time, and they're like family. We work together very well.
And together they continue to bring Paul K. Guillow's dream to life, delivering the joy of flight to children of all ages all around the world. Julie Walker, AOPA Live.